Effect of Climate Change on Coral Reefs by Gabriela.A. Coral reefs are colorful homes to many animals. The fish and plants which call them home belong to some of the most diverse and fragile ecosystems on the planet. Many people call it the rainforest of the sea. Coral reefs cover over an area of 280,000 kilometers square and support thousands of species. Coral reefs benefit humans in many ways. They protect shores from the impact waves and from storms, provide benefits to humans in the form of food and medicine, and provide economic benefits to local communities from tourism. But climate change is not helping the coral reefs. Over the past century, human activities have released large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The majority of greenhouse gases come from the burning of fossil fuels and to produce energy. Greenhouse gases act like a blanket around the Earth, trapping energy in the atmosphere and causing it to warm. This phenomenon is called greenhouse effect and is natural and necessary to support life on Earth. However, the buildup of greenhouse gases can change Earth's climate and result in dangerous effects to human health and welfare and to ecosystems. Human societies have adapted to this relatively stable climate we have enjoyed since the last ice age, which ended several thousands of years ago. A warming climate will bring changes and can affect our water supplies, agriculture, power and transportation systems, the natural environment, and even our own health and safety. With climate change increasing, many things can happen to the great coral reefs. Sea level is expected to increase. The vertical growth rate of coral is likely to slow down and increase. As a result, corals will be deeper and receive less sunlight and grow more slowly. The combined effect of deeper reefs and slower growth will cause two problems for coastal areas. One, corals will not be able to protect shores effectively, and wave energy could increase and strengthen. Two, smaller reefs will produce smaller amounts of reef sediment, which builds and support island land bases. Next, physical damage to coral reefs will occur. Increased coral mortality is expected as storm events and cyclones become more frequent and intense. Coral reef growth may not be able to keep up with the pace of these destructive events and storms. Next is coral mortality. Rising sea temperatures and sea levels and increasing frequency of storms will increase coral mortality and seriously endanger coral reefs, especially those already under stress. These climatic changes could become deadly to reefs facing stress such as poor water quality, destructive fishing, and tourism impacts. To help the coral reefs, humans can conserve water, reduce pollution, and dispose your trash properly. Now, I hope you have a better understanding regarding coral reefs.